Here we have the all-new 2025 Mazda CX-5 GT all-wheel drive. Comes with a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine, automatic transmission in our stunning machine gray metallic color. Let's take a look inside. Coming on inside, we have a nice leather armrest, power locks, windows and mirrors, Bose premium sound system all throughout, leather upholstery all throughout as well, a power driver and lumbar support as well as our memory seat functions. Hopping on inside, have our air vent on the left-hand side, power trunk, i-stop, audio, radio, Bluetooth controls, automatic headlights, adaptive cruise control functions there as well, auto rain wipers for your front wipers, and you get your rear wiper controls there as well. Coming to the infotainment screen, got our information tab, fuel efficiency monitor, Sirius XM travel link, and your vehicle status monitor. Trying to get that to focus for you guys. Doesn't seem to want to. There we go. Let's go to our source list for the radio. Got FM, AM, Sirius XM, Pandora, Bluetooth, and a couple of USB inputs there as well. Communication, if you want to connect your phone via Bluetooth, you can, and if you do, you'll have access to your contacts, text messages, Mazda roadside, and your dial pad, as well as other communication settings. Can't individually scroll to all that because my phone is not connected. Navigation. No nav card added as of now, but you can get it added as an accessory like it does say on your screen. And into our settings here, you got our vehicle displays. So you have the active driving display and center display. I would show you the active driving display, but it is almost impossible to see on video, so you have to check it out for yourself when you do come in. Our audio settings, so you get your bass, treble, listening position, fader, balance, your Bose stereo mode, center point, and audio pilot. Safety settings, driver assistance system is your Mazda radar cruise control. Safety alerts, got that distance recognition support system, lane departure warning, and your blind spot monitoring there as well. Active safety, have our lane keep assist system, and our collision avoidance, we have our smart city brake support. Also have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto available there as well. You can see that on the right hand side. You got two air vents, hazard lights, start-stop engine button, also have heated steering wheel, heated and ventilated seats for both the driver and the passenger, 12-volt wireless phone charger. Just make sure your phone is compatible with wireless charging to make sure that works for you. I got sport, normal, and off-road modes. Got your My Drive, which is that's what I just showed you. Backup camera, auto holds, electronic park brake, volume rocker. You can use this dial to control everything on your infotainment as well. You get your back, music, home, nav, and favorites button. Two cup holders, big center console. You got two USB-C inputs and a 12-volt. Power tilt side sunroof, power sunroof controls, interior lighting options, a sunglass holder, and a rear view mirror that has garage door opener buttons along the bottom as well. Let's take a look outside. Goods front have our LED headlights, a black and chrome finished grille with your Mazda badge in the middle, Mazda alloy rims that are gray in color, paint matching door handles and mirrors, a keyless entry feature, rear tinted windows, CX-5 all-wheel drive badge on the left, Skyactiv-G badge on the right, dual exhaust along the bottom, the power trunk that opens up automatically for us as well, 40-20-40 split for those rear seats, extra set of mats. Open this up, get access to your spare tire, and the seats do fold down as well. Pull that latch, and to close, you have the button to close it automatically to the power trunk. Let's go take a look at those back seats. Coming on to the back seats here, I have a nice leather armrest, power windows, tons of legroom and headroom, the same leather upholstery that we have in the front, black in color. Two air vents. You can fold this down if no one's in that middle seat. You do have two cup holders, heated seats for the end passengers, as well as USB inputs for all your charging needs. Let's head back on outside. Let's wrap it up with the all-new 2025 Mazda CX-5 GT all-wheel drive in our machine gray metallic color. If you have any questions or want to book test drive, please visit us at parkmazda.ca.